Here we are, Central Panama City Beach. Britt, give us a little idea of what we're looking at today.
What I love about this beach home is it's on a street where short-term rentals are allowed.
Great.
It has a huge yard. We're talking 1/3 of an acre.
Awesome.
Yeah, it is absolutely unbelievable. I can't wait to check it out.
Well then, let's go. Welcome to this absolutely open living space. I love how expansive the kitchen is with this granite, and you've got all of your appliances, easy access, and it's wide open to a little dining area and your living space. And I especially love how grand this feels here and these cute coastal beams. Let's keep checking it out. Welcome into the main ensuite. You've got plenty of space here, and it just feels so Florida coastal. You have a slider to get out, and it is an ensuite. This home is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. Wow, look at this extended lifestyle outside. It'd be perfect for the Florida living. I love this bar and entertaining. You've got the TV for games and friends and all the things. And this home is situated on 1/3 of an acre. So you've got a pool, a shed, and even an outdoor sitting area blocked from the sun with even more green space for the kids or the fur babies. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got that listing link there for you.
And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals.